Didi ke onek 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 dhonnobad. And Churni,
Yes.
with that we come to the end of this lovely ceremony.
Inaugural event, absolutely. Yes. And with this we sign off. But before we do, we request the Principal Secretary, Information and Cultural Affairs Department, and the Director General of the Kolkata International Film Festival, Mr. Vivek Kumar, to please deliver the vote of thanks. We loved having you here with us. Enjoy. Good night from both of us.
Good night.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just witnessed the historic inauguration of the biggest Kolkata International Film Festival yet. I would like to begin by thanking the moving spirit and the architect of this film festival. She is a painter, poet, lyricist, and composer. In her heart beats the Ektara of Bengal's Baul. She is someone who understands the centrality of culture in our lives. Culture not merely as a livelihood option, but culture as something that defines us, unites and integrates us, something that provides us a shared sense of destiny. She works relentlessly to establish Kolkata as the world's cultural capital, in closely supervising every creative and administrative aspect of the 24th KIF. She has led from the front. The captain of our team, the Honorable Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee. We thank you, Madam, for your vision, support, and guidance. One of Hindi cinema's most unforgettable dialogues was in the film Diwar, where in response to the elder brother's flurry of questions, the younger brother replies, "Mere paas maa hai." Recently, I was trying very hard to impress an international celebrity about the festival's credentials. I said, KIF has one of the highest prize monies, 320 films selected from 70 countries, 16 screening venues, the highest footfall of spectators. He wasn't impressed. And then I said, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan attends this film festival every year. End of discussion, argument one. For more than 40 years, he continues to be one of the most loved figures in India's public life. Actor, playback singer, narrator, film producer, and TV presenter. A one-man industry, a living legend, but most of all, a person with a very special connect with Bengal, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Sir, words are not enough to thank you for having blessed the Kolkata International Film Festival as always. He has a global fan base of over 1 billion, 8 Filmfare Awards for Best Actor, a record he shares with Dilip Kumar, whose films such as My Name is Khan and Chak De India have given us mature insights into issues of nationality, ethnicity, nationalism, and patriotism. The first superhero with six-pack abs, co-owner of the IPL team Kolkata Knight Riders, Bengal's brand ambassador, brand SRK, the Badshah of Bollywood, King Khan, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Sir, it is my privilege to thank you for having graced this occasion. Thank you very much. In a world full of artifice, she brought home the eternal truth. Simple is beautiful. She is so natural on screen that she started a whole new style called non-acting. With 9 Filmfare Awards, she is Bollywood's most awarded female actor. Padma Shri, Member of Parliament. Amader Dhonni Me, Mrs. Jaya Bachchan, Madam, I thank you for having participated in the inaugural function. A career spanning 6 decades with films in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, and Bangla. She lit up the screen in Pyasa, Kagaz Ke Phool, Tisri Kasam, Guide, and Obhijan. Winner of the National Award for Acting in Reshma or Shera. Padma Bhushan, Ms. Wahida Rahman. Madam, I thank you for your very gracious presence in this function. One of the living legends of Bangla cinema who gave expression to and immortalized Satyajit Ray's works. Winner of 2 National Awards for Acting, conferred the Tagore Ratna by the Sangeet Natak Academy, recipient of India's highest award for cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Padma Bhushan, Mr. Soumitra Chatterjee. Sir, it is indeed an honor to have you in our midst. One of India's foremost directors, producers, and screenplay writers, equally at home in the so-called worlds of art and mainstream cinema. Mr. Mahesh Bhatt, sir, I thank you for your very gracious presence. She has acted in 40 feature films in 10 languages. Her directorial debut, Firak, traveled to more than 50 festivals and won more than 20 awards. She has served twice on the jury of the Cannes Film Festival. Ms. Nandita Das, Madam, we are delighted to have you in our midst. We are privileged to have with us Mr. Majid Majidi, the distinguished film director from Iran, whose brave yet poetic cinema has given us films such as Children of Heaven and The Song of Sparrows. Thank you, sir, for coming. We have the honor of having on stage Mr. Garth Davis, whose directorial debut Lion was nominated for 6 Academy Awards, including Best Picture. Ms. Jill Bilcock, the film editor of Moulin Rouge and Road to Perdition. Mr. Simon Baker, famous for his roles in The Guardian and The Mentalist. I also thank Her Excellency, the High Commissioner of Australia to India, Ms. Harinder Sidhu, for leading a very distinguished delegation of film personalities from Australia. We thank Mr. Bishwajit Chatterjee, whose contributions in both Bangla and Hindi cinema are too well known to read reiteration. Bangla cinema's leading lights, Ms. Madhavi Mukherjee, Ms. Shabitri Chatterjee, Mr. Ranjit Mollik, Mr. Gautam Ghosh, Mr. Shobbashachi Chakraborty, Indrani Haldar, Prosenjit Chatterjee, Dev, Shrikant Mohta, Kaushik Ganguly, Srijit Mukherjee, Abir Chatterjee, Mimi, Nusrat, and all the other dignitaries on the stage, our most respectful thanks to you for gracing the function with your glittering presence. I thank Mr. Shivendra Singh Dungarpur of the Film Heritage Foundation, members of the jury, distinguished guests from 23 countries, delegates, film producers, directors, actors, musicians, singers, and above all, technicians of Tollywood. Our MCs, Churni and June, but above all, the cinegoers of Kolkata, whose love sustains the Kolkata International Film Festival and makes it grow bigger, better, and stronger. We hope you enjoy this Carnival of World Cinema in the coming week. A big thank you to all of you. Namaskar, Dhanyabad.